The most terrifying detail is the timeline. The fire chief's story makes no sense once you know the truth. 6 hours. That's how long it was between when I saw him kneeling and when the sirens screamed through the valley. Was he there the entire time? Motionless. The police said no suspects. No one found. Yeah, right. I remember his stillness. Too calm, too deliberate. It wasn't prayer. It felt like a ritual. He was waiting for something. Something he knew was coming. But why? Why was he dressed in pure white? The true mystery of the man is revealed. Part 8 deepens the horror.